Insurance company executives are facing Queensland's flood inquiry today. The disaster last summer killed 35 people and affected 70% of the state. Disgruntled policyholders have told the inquiry their payouts were delayed or denied altogether. The ABC's Francine Norton has been at today's hearing. Francine, who's expected to appear today?
Well, Nicole, first up this morning we've heard from a representative from the Mirvac group that designed and developed the State Tennis Centre at Tennyson. Now, it was built on a floodplain a couple of years ago, and no surprise, in January it flooded. So the Commission is looking at development and design issues there. But up next is Peter Harmer, who is the CEO of the CGU Insurance Group. Now, he is going to be asked direct questions about evidence given yesterday by a flood victim, Sally Doyle, who made some pretty strong claims against CGU in her evidence before the Commission yesterday. She told the Commission that she was so frustrated by her experience with CGU when they denied her claim that she actually organised a protest outside CGU's offices back in February. And she told the Commission a couple of days later that Peter Harmer rang her and he told her that he had copies of tapes of conversations between her and CGU, and he accused her of misleading the media. Now, Mr Harmer is going to be asked questions about that today, but he's already given a written statement to the inquiry denying Sally Doyle's claims.
One of the big issues at the time, of course, Francine, was how insurers actually defined flooding, but it seems that that's off limits during this inquiry.
Yeah, that's right, Nicole. The inquiry made it clear from the start of this round too that it was not looking at issues like the definition of flood, what is omitted from insurance policies. That is being left up to a federal parliamentary inquiry. What this Commission is looking at is the treatment by insurance companies towards their customers, their dispute resolution processes and their claims handling processes. Now, today is the first day that insurance companies are giving evidence in person before the Commission, but they've already been in trouble with the Commission. A couple of weeks ago, the Commissioner hauled the lawyer for several insurance companies before the court to explain why representatives of insurance companies had not made their submissions by the deadline. And there was even talk of the Commissioner exercising her power to have those people arrested. But obviously that didn't happen. The submissions were made and they're expected to be grilled about their treatment of customers today.
Francine Norton in Brisbane, thank you.
Thanks, Nicole.